welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to walk you through the process of creating your very own VTuber character. We'll cover everything from choosing a name, developing a lore, and coming up with the unique concept, so let's dive right in. The first step in creating your VTuber character is deciding on a name. Your character's name should be memorable, unique, and reflect the personality or background. For example, my name, Lumeria, is inspired by the concept of light and wisdom, which aligns with my character as a genius scholar. Take some time to brainstorm and write down a few options. For now, I'm just gonna be using a random name generator. Luciana sounds nice, so I'ma pick it. Okay, let's search up the meaning of the name, shall we? Alright. In ancient Rome, the name Luciana was associated with the goddess of the moon, Luna, symbolizing the illumination of the night sky. Oh, that sounds nice. Alright, so once you have a name, it's time to develop the lore. Lore is the backstory of your character, where they come from, their history, and what makes them unique. And this is your chance to become creative and have fun. Here's a template you can use to get started. D&D character sheets are also helpful at this part. But keep in mind that this is completely optional. You don't really need to have a lore for your VTuber character. It's just a tradition that each VTuber has their quote-unquote lore. If you want to skip this part, that's alright too. Alright, let's move on. So let's create a sample character together. We'll name our character Luciana, which means light. Luciana is a god of the moon and stars who ensures the balance of light and darkness. She has the ability to control starlight and uses it to protect her world from cosmic threats. Luciana is wise and serene, but she can be fierce when defending those she cares about. Her goal is to find a way to restore her fallen star realm by connecting different people from multiple worlds. So it can be something as complex like that, or it can be like really simple, like Luciana is just a character who controls stars, basically. So for now that we have like a name and lore, let's talk about the concept. This includes your character's appearance and overall theme. Luciana, for example, would have a celestial themed design with starry attire and glowing accessories, and we can make a mood board at Pinterest to conceptualize and visualize this character. Alright, so we're here at Pinterest and let's make a mood board together for Luciana, shall we? So for now, I'm just gonna search celestial characters. Character design. There we go, character design. And we'll see what we can come up with together. Oh my goodness. I did not expect these. I like this, so let's maybe save it. Let's create a new board, Luciana. So there we go. And now that we made our mood board, congratulations, you just made a VTuber character. So here's a quick recap of what we did. First, we chose a name. Next, we made the lore. And lastly, we conceptualized the design. The next step is obviously to make a PNG or like a model for your character, but I will get back to you with that in the next video. So there you have it. Creating a VTuber character is a fun and creative process. And remember, the most important thing is to make a character that you connect with and enjoy portraying. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more VTuber tips and tutorials. I would love to hear about the characters you guys create in the comments, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.